Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. How y'all doing? Well, this is an oldie but goodie. This, folks, is the Dynam A-10. All right. Obviously in the, I guess it's the Green Marines livery, the camo livery. She has no rudder. She has only, she's a bank and yank only. But here is an amazing thing. This old bird has been sitting in pieces, way shoved in the back of my, basically my storage area. And look at this. I know I shouldn't be amazed by working retracts on a Dynam, but we got working retracts on a Dynam. That is something. But anyways, and this is a 3S bird. I couldn't tell you, I know there's 64mm fans, but I couldn't, and 1, 2, 3, 6 bladed props. And she sounds like a vacuum cleaner, a double vacuum cleaner. I've got her back to go tonight, checked her all out. She seems to be trim. Got a S603 DMX receiver. That generic receiver you get from Value Hobby, that's just a DSMX protocol. Mixed reviews on those, but I've had many of them, and I've only had one that had bad range. Okay, and I want to say I've had 20 of them. I had one that had bad range. So, but let's. Oh yeah, she does have a steerable nose gear. So let's take her up and let's have some fun with her. What do you say? All right. I hope they caught all that on camera. I got the zoom as far in as I can get it. So let's go down here. And like I say, she's a 3S bird. And to show you, the latch comes up from the front. That's where I've got the Hobby Star 2700 with a 35C discharge. All right, now I can tell you right now, she doesn't have much elevator authority. Okay, maybe you can tell, but I got as much as that as I can get, but there's not all that much authority there. I do have the control surfaces, or at least the elevator, reinforced with Blenderm tape. Okay, looks like that one there is a little out of trim. That one aileron there, that looks much better. See how loud she is? Boy, that's definitely the vacuum cleaner. All right, we'll get her turned around here. I do like the markings, those sharp tiger teeth on there. And all right, see that elevator, real thin little elevator. So the hatch may not be all the way on. She unhooks in the front of all places, but all right, right, left, up, down, no rudder, just no steering is all. So got our timer set for 3 minutes and 40 seconds. My rates are 60% on the ailerons, which is, that's still a lot, with 30% expo. And then on the elevator, 100% with 15% expo. All right, timer set for 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Let's keep our fingers crossed and let's go. Whoa. I'm having to hold an awful lot of up elevator. So I may need to move that battery back some. Well, she's not moving, is she?
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right. Yeah, I definitely need to move that battery back some, because I'm really having to hold a lot of up elevator to keep that nose up. But trying to find the paraphernalia on this plane to find out where your CG is actually supposed to be. Okay, motor off. Let's move that battery back some. Okay, we're gonna pull up from the front. This velcroed in. We'll move that battery back a good solid inch there. All right, see if that doesn't help me. Help me, help me. All right, well, let me pick her up. Let me actually do a CG test. I really don't even know where the CG is on this thing. So, well, we'll just have to, this is just one of those things, trial and error. It's what you do. Motor back on. Okay, still got 2 minutes and 42 seconds. All right. Get over here. All right. Oh man. She still wants to dive on the nose. Yeah, she's definitely all over the place. Of course, it's windy. It's very windy.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Bring her by. Got the gear down. Definitely a vacuum cleaner. Got one gear hang up. Okay, they're in the right position. They're down now. Well, you know, thing about Dynam retracts, they are an adventure. But you probably could say the same thing about some of the E-Flight retracts and some of the other brands. Whoa. Well, got Mary, got no flaps. There goes. Well, let's see. Hey, hey. Well, should have brought her in some more speed, but I tell you what, I can barely control this bird. See that wind? Well, like I say, she was in the scrap heap. And I said, well, let me see if I can get her together and get her flying. Motor off. Well, retract came out. But with Dynams, I think they just kind of put the retracts in with a little bit of Elmer's glue. And that's pretty much all that holds them in. So, yeah. Glue that back in and look at this. Let me show you. Look at that. I just hand put her back in and she'll fly again. She just, it's a Dynam. All right, folks, but she's sorely needing the right kind of elevator. Even at maximum, look at how close. See, look at how close that control rod, it actually rubs against the joint there. And it's just a bad design. But they did sell a butt ton of these. So, all right, folks, I'm going to end that for now. I'm not going to push my luck any further. Folks, thank you for watching. That's the Dynam vacuum cleaner, otherwise known as an A-10. Y'all have a good, and don't forget, like and subscribe. God bless. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends in planes. God bless y'all.